Calculated prices is Shopify app that lets you add additional product price modifying parameters. You can make this additional parameters conditional and define the display order. You can define price modifying formulas that are product specific or shop wide. Inside formula you can use product variant properties, additional parameters, values, customer tags, client country, date and time as conditions. You can add conditional file uploads for product orders. You can add conditional text inputs for product orders. Every serious business have a need for sophisticated pricing policy. Also, some specific product have variety of properties that customer needs to choose in order of getting right thing for them in fully automated way. Shopify has very efficient way of deferring product by its variants, but in some cases you need something bit different. For example, if you have some optional feature for product that increases its price, you can just create more variants of product with it included. This is very straightforward, but in some cases you may be unable to do this because of 100 variation limit. Also in some cases for certain kind of products this can be unpractical. Take for example printing companies. They may basically offer 10 products, but depending of customer needs, this 10 products can have thousands of variations. This app solves situations like this, letting you make your products much more price variable without creating variations. If your product has properties that affects price, it is enough to define the parameters for that product instead of multiplying its variations. This is very practical in some specific cases. As naturally imposed and commonly needed thing along with this kind of features are file uploads and custom text inputs. When product is highly customizable, usually there are options to upload some kind of design, logo and specify some text to be put on product, a way of crafting. That's why we also added ability of uploads and text inputs that are in conjunction with price modifying parameters. Uploads destination is Google Drive, and that gives you further freedom of implementations. Price changes imposed by year period currency fluctuations can sometimes become harsh burden for you. For example, Black Friday lasts for a couple of days. It requires you to do homework twice. You first lower all prices, and when it passes you need to return them back. With this app it is enough to declare a shop-wide multiplier and all your prices in front end will modify instantly. When low price period passes, it is enough to reset this multiplier to 1. This feature enables you to easily do some other commonly known salesman maneuvers like happy hour. If you sell food, for example, you can easily set different value of multiplier from 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. each day. Also, very popular quantity-based pricing can be easily applied. If you do your business internationally in multiple countries, your product can simply have different values for each country depending on country excise policy for the particular product. User location can be conditioned for multiplier modification. Rewarding loyal customers is good practice for every business. Having its tags, total spendings and order count as conditions gives you good way of crafting your policy towards them.